Question 10. Question 10 reads, what is the average yearly total for full-time employees? So what I need to do is look at my columns where it's talking about full-time and part-time, and then also my yearly total, which is column O. This is my yearly totals for my full-time and part-time employees. So I'm going to come down here to cell B27, and it's asking me to find the average for only the full-time employees. So there is a condition on this. So I need to look for the formula that says average if. So I'm going to insert my function, and I can type it in here, or I can select the function if it's there already down below, and it is. So I'm going to select the average if function, and my range, I'm going to begin with the full-time and part-time employees, or column for that one. And then in my criteria, I need to type in full-time, because I'm only looking for the full-time. That's my condition. And if you notice that this has a dash in it, and I have to type it exactly how it is in my column. And then my range, I'm looking for my average range. I'm looking for the yearly totals. So I'm going to select this range here. And I have all my information. I'm going to select OK. And there is my total average for my full-time employees.